Storytelling can be likened to any other form of art. You can either do it very well or do it really bad. But the skill of storytelling carries a burden of responsibility. Good storytellers often become great influencers. Learning how to tell a good story will increase your influence over other people. Before telling your next story, please remember the world needs good storytellers. When you are in a room with 100 people listening to you, you would not want them to ask, "What do I do next?" Instead, you want to inspire them to move in a similar direction you are taking, one that would benefit them greatly. Tell a story for your listeners, not because you want to feel good when you tell the story. Be specific with your line of thoughts and stop talking once in a while. That brief silence will catch their attention. Your best asset as a storyteller is not your story, it's your humanity. You have a basic knowledge of how other human beings behave. And if you can see them in the same thought process through your story, you have successfully made lasting connections. And that is the goal of every remarkable story. At the end of the day, your story starts with what you believe in. The positivity in your message will only translate to something that people will follow if you believe in them yourself. As a storyteller, you also need to start believing in yourself that you can make a difference. I hope that your journey as a storyteller can be a positive one and that it would bring you to a place of influence